my name is GX Toro and today we are going to be opening the Yugi's Legendary decks. This is the box. It's a very beautiful box where you can have the 3 decks that Yugi used in the series. We can see the description here. So we have the Yugi's Exodia deck, the Yugi's Battle City deck, and the Yugi's Gadget deck, the one that he used against Yugi himself. So let's go ahead and open this box. So I open it with the scissors. I love this box. It's so pretty, goldish, you know. So we are going to open this now. And what you can see here is the 3 decks that Yugi used during all the series, the first series, right? Let's open first the Exodia one. So we can see that Exodia appears here in the camera. So you can see the head, Exodia, the leg, the other leg, the arm, the left arm. We can have the Black Luster Soldier here, the Black Luster Soldier Envoy of the Beginning. So good. This card I remember was so strong when I was playing. Dark Magician Girl, of course. Gaia of the Fierce Knight, Summoned Skull, Curse of Dragon, Catapult Turtle. So we can see here, Celtic Guardian, Winged Dragon of the Forest, Feral Imp. No, I don't know why I'm shaking. It's kind of difficult to hold the same position. Wait. So we have Beaver Warrior, Grey 4, Mystical Elf, then Giant Soldier of the Stone. So good. The Mammoth Graveyard. So nostalgic, those cards are so good. Kuriboh, and Monster Reborn, Swords of the Revealing Light, Mystic Box, Brain Control, nice. Monster Recovery, Spell Shattering Arrow, Horn of the Unicorn, nice. Mystical Moon, The Burning Land, Multiply for your Kuribohs, so you can have a lot of Kuribohs there. Detonate, so I think you can, destroy as many Kuribohs and you control possible then destroy cards your opponent control on the. So you kill all your you multiply your Kuribohs and then you kill them and you destroy all the opponent's monsters, the same number of the Kuribohs that you killed. Makyu, the Magical Mist. We can forget that someone's cool attack against Weevil, right? Polymerization, Black Luster Ritual, Mirror Force, Magical Hats, and the Eye of the Truth. Nice. Shift. And as a fusion we have Gaia, the Dragon Champion that you know. Again, Yugi used it against Weevil. So the next deck is going to be, never mind. We have some promos that they come in the box. Let's see. Electromagnetic Turtle. I think I remember Yugi used it against Yami. Against Yami Yugi Atem. So we can see it here. So nice. There you go. So the camera. Focus, and then we have Dark Renewal, Dark Illusion, and we have some tokens here. Put this here. It's the sale for the kingdom. So when Yugi got invited to the Pegasus tournament, so he got these cards. So it's so pretty. Look at this. Duelist Kingdom, the Glory of the King, Glory of the King hand. Those are for collection, right? And then we got the gods that he got, Slifer, Obelisk, the Tormentor, and Ra, the Winged Dragon of Ra. Yeah, I think you cannot use these versions of the god cards for play, for tournament. Token. Oh, we got a token of Yugi. Like, so let me put this here, and let me put these other ones. Those are good cards for the spellcaster deck. So And then we got the deck that he used in Battle City. Let's open this. So of course we have Valkyrian. I love this monster. It's so good. Valkyrian. Here. So we have Valkyrian, Dark Magician, the one that Arcana used against Yugi, the Dark Magician. No, well, the Mean Magician. I don't know. And then we have the Dark Magician Girl. I love this card. This card is so good. I like this art. And then we got the Swords of Revealing Light in foil, and the other day was like, come on. And then Mirror Force, of course. Mirror Force. We cannot forget Mirror Force from Yugi. Buster Blader. Archifiend of the Gear of Guilford. This is so good too. Jack's Knight, Queen's Knight. There you go. We can have. I love these monsters. So good. I don't know how to explain, but I love them. So King's Knight, Baphomet, Gazelle of the King and Mystic Beast. You can see these two monsters in every battle that Yugi has. Alpha, the Magnet Warrior, Beta, the Magnet Warrior, Gamma, the Magnet Warrior, Big Shield Garna as well is one of the very popular monsters that Yugi had in his deck. Kuribo, of course, you cannot leave Kuribo outside of the deck. Monster Reborn, Dark Magician Cortain is so powerful, this card, paying the half of your life, and you can bring a Dark Magician to the field. From your hand or your deck, right? From your deck. That's good. And then 1000 Knives to kill monster with Dark Magician, Magic Formula, Magical Dimension, another very powerful card. Diffusion Wave Motion, Ectoplasmer. Oh, I don't remember Yugi used this one, but I remember that someone used Arcana used it against Yugi. Double Spell, Soul Taker, Pot of Greed. So this card is banned all the time. Card Destruction, Exchange, Monster Recovery, Polymerization, Diffusion, Multiply for Kuribos, of course. Magical Hats, the iconic card of Yugi. Magic Cylinders, all the time the combo that he uses is with the Dark Magician Girl, all the time. The two of those are a combo. Spellbinded Circle, Light Force Sword, Chain Destruction, Soul Rope, and Tragedy. And as a fusion we have the Chimera the Flying Mystical Fist. So good, I love this. And for the last deck that he used against Atem, the Pharaoh, when they discovered that he needs to leave, so they had their last battle. So we have the Dark Magician of Chaos. So good. I love this card. It's one of my favorite monsters too. And then we have the Dark Magician of Chaos with Effect. So powerful, this card. So powerful. And then Silent Magician level 8. I cannot lie. I love all these cards. So good. I love this monster too. In the anime, when you can see it, or even in the manga, so good. I don't know why he didn't use it more times during the anime or during the manga. Dark Magician. This is another version of the Dark Magician. The Gold Sarcophagus. Nice, so good. And then we have Gandora of the Dragon of Destruction. This card was in Yugi's Yugimoto deck, the little one. Silent Magician level 4, and then Silent Magician level 7. Silent Swarman level 5. Silent Swarman level 3, Buster Blader, Dark Magician with a different position in the different art, Jack's Knight, nice. Again, the Tricky. This is another card that I like to use in the other game, like Yu-Gi-Oh! Dual Generation in the phone or in the iPad. I use this card, so good. I like it. Like you sacrifice, you can special summon discarding one card from your hand, so it's 2000 monsters, so it's cool. Queen's Knight, King's Knight, Green Gadget, I love this. Red Gadget, Yellow Gadget, Skillet Dark Magician, so powerful. I remember in my days, 1900 attack was pretty strong in my days. Skill White Magician, you can summon your Buster Blader. Yeah, your Buster Blader with 3 magic counters. Blackman, I like this card. Marshmallow, nice. Kuribo, of course, we cannot forget Kuribo during all the series. Monster Reborn, Swords of Rebellion Light, so we have swords in each deck. Card of Sanctity. I would like this card have the same effect like in the anime and in the manga. This is the half of the effect that they have, but well, we cannot complain. Polymerization, Dark Magic Attack, the iconic attack of Dark Magician. Magicians United. Dedication through light and darkness. This is for like iconic attack. No, this is to bring this Dark Magician of Chaos. Black Magician Ritual. The Tricky Spell for your Tricky. Emblem of Dragon Destroyer. Marshmallow Glasses. Mirror Force, of course, iconic. Magician's Circle. Shattered Axe. And Stronghold the Moving Fortress. And Miracle Restoring. And of course, this fusion was amazing. I remember when I saw it in the anime. Can you remember? So good. The fusion that Yugi used against Kaiba in the finals. So good. So that's it. So these were all the Yugi decks that you can have in this collection, in this box. So I hope you like it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends. I'm going to be uploading more content about these cards and Yugi cards and openings and box. And I'm preparing, of course, my channel to be able to do streamings and League of Legends, Duel Links in the phone, and more Clash of Clans, stuff like that. So I hope you like it and hope to see you soon. See you later next time. Bye bye.